Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering every source of photos so nothing is missed. Once you have devices together, scan for RAW versus JPEG and remove obvious duplicates. This saves space and future headaches. Make a master folder structure, year/month/event, and move files into it. While you transfer, apply consistent file names so automation works later. This first step turns scattered photos into an organized set you can reliably manage and backup. Next, pick reliable storage and make multiple copies. Use a fast local SSD or a NAS-configured RAID 1 or RAID 5 as your working library, so reads are quick and data is redundant. Then set an offsite backup, cloud storage with file versioning, and keep a second physical copy in a different location. Automate scheduled syncs and run checksum verification like MD5 or SHA1 after transfers. These steps protect against drive failure, accidental deletion, and regional disasters. To finish, establish maintenance routines so your archive stays usable. Every 3 months, run audits, refresh checksums, and enrich metadata like tags and captions to improve searchability. Plan media migration every 3 to 5 years to avoid obsolete formats or failed drives. If corruption happens, stop using the drive, clone it, and attempt recovery tools. And if that fails, restore from your secondary backup location. This final stage ensures long-term access and gives a clear recovery path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.